Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's start tutorial number 11. In this tutorial, I have gathered turtle graphics for you guys and I will explain the working of loops in detail using turtle graphics. Firstly, I will use for loop. For loop is a finite loop and works finite number of times. For example, this arrow is moving only 10 times. But if I use while loop instead of for loop, it will be continuously moving. And we can set while loop like while x equals to 1. So you can see here x equals to 1 is wrong. So I will write x is not equal to 1. And I will add an exclamation mark here. Now run the code. You guys can see here that the turtle is moving infinitely. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comment section. Share it with your friends, like and subscribe. That's it for today guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.